Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I love to share recipes with you that bring me joy. Which is why today I want to share with you a recipe of a very basic staple in a lot of different Mexican recipes, that of crema or sour cream. This is a recipe that's going to be completely vegan, and you'll be surprised about how easy it is going to be. For our vegan crema, we're going to need half of a cup of quick soaked cashews. I simply soaked mine in a little bit of boiling water for about 10 minutes, and this will just help with digestion. We're going to need the juice of 1 lime, the juice of 1 lemon, about 3 tablespoons of water, and about half of a teaspoon of salt. To make this crema, it's so easy. We're just going to add all of our ingredients into a small blender. And I'm using about 3 tablespoons of water, but depending on which blender you use, you may need a little bit more or a little less, or depending on the style of crema that you like. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. So there you have it. Now you have the recipe for something that's such a staple in so many different recipes. I love to use it on pretty much all of my tacos, on enchiladas, on my tamales, on even just beans. My daughter just likes to even dip, different vegetables in it. It's just, you can use it in such a wide variety of items, and it's a recipe that you can feel really good about eating, and it's not gonna have any of the processed ingredients from store-bought ones. So I hope you enjoyed it. Buen provecho. Make sure to like this video, share it if you loved it, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Oh, and follow me on social media at AMDV Adriana.